gives the ability for ordinary people to do extraordinary things.
We want the people of the country to understand that when we say science, it is not necessarily the man in the white coat in the laboratory, but the science speaks to the knowledge base that the people have, what you may call the cultural science as opposed to the discovery science in the laboratory. And that cultural science is what we really want to bring to the people, that they are living it daily. And there is so much information there that we're saying to them, time come to look at this kind of information that you have and tell us, look at it and see how you can use that to create opportunities for yourself, your family, your community, the society at large.
It takes in all life forms. It brings all things together.
When I think of the opportunities that exist in Jamaica beyond today, we are working on things like nutraceuticals, science and technology. You hear we're talking about medical marijuana, science and technology, money, big money. This whole energy crisis that we're facing, it is science and technology innovation that is going to help us to overcome.
Science has made everyday life easier than it has ever been. The advancements in communication, health, transportation, even energy applications like electricity are all linked to science, pointing to its relevance. It is with this in mind that the month of November for the past 16 years has been declared Science and Technology Month, a period within which Jamaicans are made aware of our innovators, new developments in science and technology, and given a platform to showcase their scientific ideas. Science for Life was the theme for Science and Technology Month 2014, and as is the norm, the Governor General gave his stamp of approval.
Now therefore, I, Patrick Linton Allen, Governor General of Jamaica, do hereby proclaim the month of November 2014 as Science and Technology Month, and urge all citizens of Jamaica to join with the Scientific Research Council, originator of these observances, in recognition of the importance of science and technology for the sustainable development of our nation.
This year, a series of science-related activities were carried out by the National Commission on Science and Technology in partnership with the Scientific Research Council and the Ministry of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining. To start the ball rolling was the first meeting of the reconstituted National Commission on Science and Technology to discuss the establishment of nutraceutical companies in the coming year.
We are giving sharp focus to the development of nutraceuticals from Jamaican plants as a necessary plank for accelerating growth and creating new businesses.
Then, there was a third biennial conference on science and technology, which was held at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel over a 3-day period under the theme Green Gold Medicinal Ganja and Other Natural Products, Potential Source of Wealth for Jamaica. The last day of the conference culminated with the National Awards for Science, Technology and Innovation, where outstanding Jamaican innovators and scientists were recognized and celebrated for their contribution to the field. The evening's prestigious 2014 National Innovator of the Year Award was presented to Mr. Harlow Main of Mainex Technology for his invention of the H2 Flex hydrogen hybrid project. While the National Medal for Science and Technology Award saw 3 nominees who have contributed to the field of science for over 20 years: Professor Gossett Oliver, Dr. Henry Lowe, and Dr. Terence Forrester. Dr. Henry Lowe emerged the winner. The monthly activities continued with the second staging of the Science in the Park Expo, held at Emancipation Park in New Kingston. There were booths showcasing interesting innovations from students, as well as information on careers and other opportunities in science.
What we want to create are inquisitive minds. We want to create innovators, those of you who will use the information now to make money. And there is nothing wrong in becoming very wealthy, as we want all of you to become.
Daryl Edwards, a 6th grader, was just one of the many young innovators on show at the science fair. She explains her invention.
The Hydro EPS, what it does, it changes mechanical energy to light energy. So it's using water energy from the water to generate electricity.
The month's activities were brought to an end with the Innovators and Venture Support Meetup as a follow-up to the National Awards for Science, Technology and Innovation. The event gave all awardees the opportunity to present their enterprises to prospective investors and business support organizations. Through it all, the public was kept up to date. A think tank session was held at the Jamaica Information Service to ensure that no Jamaican would be unaware of their role, whether as innovator or observer, in Science and Technology Month 2014. Let's all continue to join the effort to build Jamaica through innovation.